Collins. This is my video submission for the binary search tree assignment for CST-215 uh, with Professor Nassar. And so with this assignment, we were tasked with creating a script that would prompt a user to enter a certain set of nodes. It would first prompt the user to enter in amount of nodes for how many items are going to be in their list. And then it'll prompt them to then add items to the list, limiting each item with a space. And so the first thing that went ahead and did was I had to get a lot of outside help for this assignment. Heavily used Stack Overflow and had to reference a Chegg source as well. I had a really difficult time understanding these concepts. So these links associated here at the top will send you to where I got most of my information. So the first thing that I had to go ahead and do was define the node class. And so with this, there's going to be a left branch, a right branch, and then a data component. And then we had to define the actual structure itself, the binary search tree. And this is where it's a little less clear for me about all the logic. So we're going to have an insert and how these different data structures work. I haven't taken data structures yet. So there's a lot of things, moving pieces going on in this that I'm not quite familiar with. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to insert the data into each branch. It's then going to go through, cycle through, and find out what the order is going to be down here in the in order, pre-order, and post order per the assignment description. I would say I spent the most time just playing with the main. The business logic, like I said, was referenced. I didn't reinvent the wheel, to say the least. But I spent some time here messing with the main, the output. We call the binary search tree here, then prompts the user to enter the number of nodes. The user then enters the value for each node. And then we're going to ask the user to press 1, 2, 3, or 4 to display the in order, pre-order, or post-order traversals, or 4 to exit. So this while loop is going to keep it running throughout the duration of the program. And yeah, so let's run it without further ado. So enter the number of nodes. Let's enter 5. So I'm going to enter 13, 7, 897, 56, and 1. Okay, then it asks the user to which traversal would they like to display. So we'll go ahead and do each one. So 1 will display the in order, 1, 7, 13, 56, 897. We'll do the pre-order next. So it's 13, 7, 1, 897, and 56. Then post-order last, which is 1, 7, 56, 897, and 13. I'll press 4 to exit. Yeah, this was a pretty challenging assignment. I still don't quite have the best handle on the binary search trees and the business logic. If I could do it over again, I would maybe like to look more into these data structures and how they're being utilized, or if we can use something a little more sophisticated. That would just maybe like a linked list or something like that. We touched on that briefly in class, which I think we're sort of using here. Looks like, yeah, I think something close to it. But anyhow, really challenging assignment. Had to use a lot of outside resources to source most of the business logic. So anyhow, look forward to the next one. I'm sure it's going to be even more challenging, and appreciate your guys' time. Thank you.